welcome to Future Sound Fridays. This is Amy and we're hanging out at Velours for Shuffling Saturdays. 皆さんこんばんは、Amy です。今、南青山にあるベロアの Shuffling Saturdays のイベントからお送りいたします。So this time, we have Madcap, accomplished singer and musician, for an incredible performance. The first video of the week is X5 Xtreme Custom Car Show. The event was in front of Ajinomoto Stadium. X5 featured a nice mix of Japanese and import cars from around the world. Mercedes, Lamborghinis, Hondas and Toyotas, all custom and all very extreme. 世界中の有名な車があるから check it out! The next video is Raye MISSTERY official music video. So, ever wondered what a female prince would be like? Well, this is it. Raye has been seen on MTV red carpets and collaborations with Ghostface, M1 of That Press, and more. Now, see her new music video on Future Sound Raw. ぜひぜひ Future Sound Raw で Rayeの PV をチェックしてみましょう。Last but not least, Mr. Tips Street Documentary. Trax One of Music and Strength TV brings us a street documentary of Mr. Tips in Japan. このロンドンのヒップホップアーティストがリザのトラックボンボンとコラボしています。彼が音楽、ポリティクス、日本について話しています。So guys, that's all for this week. Future Sound TV でリスのビデオをチェックしてね。Tune in again next Friday for more updates. This is Amy for Future Sound Fridays, sending you love from Velours. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Toodles!